Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for that perfect travel bag? Well, VADOO has got you covered. This travel bag is so lightweight, but it has a lot of space for everything you need. The 5 pockets can be filled with all your valuables. Wallet, keys, headphones, tissue, makeup, lotion, even some snacks thrown in there too. I love the look and feel of this VADOO travel bag. It is a great companion for me when I go out and when I travel. I really appreciate how the zippers are hidden. I think this is a really cute design. The material is really durable and it's really sewn well and made to last. You will love this crossbody sling bag on your next vacation. I love it. It's top notch, and that's just my point of view.